What's up, people? Little Remix here. Trina there. Yeah. Well, I had to like do a little re-recording and stuff because of the bass reason. I couldn't have. It was too loud. I can't explain it. It was too loud. But I remember I told you guys that I was gonna do raps for you guys. Just gonna do 2 raps for you, and that's it. I forgot to let you know that I have that my group, Kids Inc. crew, representing K to the fullest. Yeah, my boy Coco, my bro Kid, myself, Little Remix, make up the Kids Inc. crew. We already made up like 3 songs and stuff, and we intend to like strive to do our best during this year of 2011. Well, one of our songs is called Party Time, with Biggie Smalls Hypnotized instrumental. I'm just gonna like rap my lyrics into the Biggie Smalls Hypnotized instrumental, the Party Time instrumental, because 3 of us, the Kids and crew, we all made up our own lyrics. I'm just gonna rap my own lyrics for you guys, okay? Ready to party? Yeah. Yo, check it out. We gon' party over here and we party over there. Plus we drinking all the drinks that we can't even compare. Yo, Hennessy, Champagne, Colt 45, Alizé, Baileys, don't be shy. LAX plane, limousine ride. Latest video game, so I'll rap till I die. Yeah, so just pump up the party. Little Remix here when them girls get naughty. Coco over there and it's real tipsy. Kid on the dance floor, Jerky and Dougie, man. Rest in peace, Biggie Smalls. You gon' be sad to miss, but we gon' deck up the halls. Yo, we live the night of March 8, 97, man. Toast to PIG, party time 2K11. We drinking, we dancing, we partying, yeah. We living the good life, the new life, yeah. We celebrating down in the club, let my boy Coco come and rap you out club. Biggie, 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 can't you see? Sometimes your words just hypnotize me, and I just love your flashy ways. This is what I wrote in your soul face. Biggie, 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 can't you see? Sometimes your words just hypnotize me, and I just love your flashy ways. This is what I wrote in your soul face. That's what I mean. That's what I'm talking about. And last rap I'm gonna do, y'all. Well, the Party Time. This was my lyrics to the Kids Inc.'s Party Time rap. This is my own lyrics. This one is dedicated to the sweet ladies out there. You know what I mean? I like her, yeah. Anyway. Yeah. Little Remix coming at you with the sweetest tunes, yeah. Pretty girl, can I see you for a sec? Now I'm not trying to go and put no hickey on your neck. All I wanna do is just to tell you how I feel, to let you know what's in my heart, you know that it's for real, girl. And all I wanna do to you is show you love. Gonna show you love cause you're an angel from above. And all I wanna do, pretty lady, call you mine. It reminds me of the day when I want you to be my Valentine. First I brought the chocolate, then I brought the rose, then I brought the perfume that stifled up my nose. But that's okay, I just wanna tell you who you are, girl. You shine so bright like one of God's beauty star, yo. And I don't care what the others telling me, cause they don't see what I see when you're with me. I wanna be with you, give me the chance to prove the truth. Destroy independent lady, it's all for you. I remember those days when I was scared to talk to you. I was moving in this childish way just to get to you. Anytime you passed me, girl, I was freezing cold like ice. Why? Cause you are sugar, spice, and everything nice, huh? I got the lyrics and I can't stop thinking about this pretty lady. And you think that I'm kidding? Nah, I don't leave and I just don't give up. I'ma try till I die, yo. Check it out. I don't wanna be the guy just to get you in the bed. I don't wanna be the boy just to make you feel sad. But I wanna be the man just to make you understand that if you give me this chance, girl, I can prove who I am. Yo, don't be scared to talk to me, cause I'll never bite. Anytime you smile, yeah, you know you're nice. It's like all my life I just had this feeling that the woman of my dreams, and I'm seeing mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the sweetest of them all. Girl, you know you so fine, I wish I could call you mine, and I'll never be the same. But I know that I ain't lame. When it comes to love, I just know that it is not a game. When it's all said and done, I gotta sit back with my girl, and we talk about our feelings, and we talk about the world. Peace, say the love I got for her. It's a little remix, but the true with the sweetest. Yeah. You think I didn't see you when you were blushing? You were doing your blushing when I was singing that love rap. Anyways, Kids in Crew, Coco, Kid, Little Remix, trying to make it out into that life, into that big life, you know. Little Remix trying to make it out into his life as well. Before I leave, I want to send a shout out to all my pals, my boys out there in school, you know, my cousins, my rapping cousins. Y'all think y'all ready for those rappers? Those rappers are my cousins. Well, not so professionally, but they do a little rapping and stuff, like my boy DRC, Yo Leon, my boy Juma, my brother Kid and Trinity. Those are my two big brothers. My boy Coco. Yeah, we got a lot of things. We got a lot of people in our family who have a lot of talents. But one thing in common that most of our family have in talents is rap. Because almost all of my cousins, they can do rap, man. Everybody. You know what I mean? So that's a wrap right there. Check you guys later.